Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to fix if your Snapchat notification not showing. So without wasting time, let's start how to fix. After opening Snapchat, select your stories interface and click on profile. Go to settings and now click on notifications option, and here make sure notifications are turned on. After following the process, go to your phone settings and find out Snapchat app from the app list. After finding, click on it, and you can approach this interface in any way according to your device system. Click on notification and make sure all notifications are turned on. After that, on time go back and remove the battery restriction if it is on. If the battery charge is low and there is restriction is on, then notification will not come. After that, close the settings and again go to your phone settings. Go to battery option. If battery power saving mode is turned on, remove it. After following the process, your notification problem will be solved. Guys, let me comment problem solved or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.